With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the students, in this question we have to find the area bounded by the curve parabola y is equal to 2 minus x square and the line y is equal to minus x. See, this area is given to us as k by 2. Okay student, and we need to find the value of 2k. Okay, so for that we have to find this area bounded by these two curves. Okay, so let me first draw these curves. Okay, so let me first draw my coordinate axis. Okay, then I will draw my line. Okay, let me first draw my line. Okay, which is y is equal to minus x. Okay, so y is equal to minus x will be passing through the origin. Okay, and have a negative slope. So this line will look something like this. Okay, wait a minute, see. Okay, so this line is what? Y is equal to minus x. Okay, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Okay, and this is a parabola, what? Downward parabola. Okay, let me draw this parabola now. So this parabola will look something like this. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so this is my curve y is equal to 2 minus x square. Okay, let me take this curve as phi1 and this as phi2. Okay, so there is no confusion. Okay, and this point is what? This point is, see, at x is equal to 0, y is 2. So this point will be 0, 2. Okay, so now which area we have to find? We have to find the area bounded by these two curves. Okay, which will be this area. Okay, see, this area is bounded by these two curves. Okay, so we have to find this area. Okay, now to find this area, first we need to find these 2 points. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, we have to find these 2 points. Okay, now let's see how we can do to find these 2 points. Okay, let's say this point is x1 comma y1 and this point is x2 comma y2. Also, to find this value we just more interested in abscissa. Okay, abscissa of this point of intersections. Okay, let me denote this as x1 and this as x2. Okay, now to find this area, let me first find these 2 points. Okay, so see, at these 2 points, okay, my first curve equation is y1 is equal to 2 minus x square. Okay, and my second curve equation is y2 is equal to minus x. Okay, and at these 2 points, okay, that point will satisfy both the equation. Okay, so we can equate this y1 equal to y2. So that will be giving me 2 minus x square to be equal to minus x. Okay, friend, at the point of intersection of these two curves. Okay, now from here I can find my coordinates of point of intersection. Okay, I can write this as x square minus x minus 2 to be equal to 0. I have taken this term in the right hand side. Okay, now this is a quadratic in x, so let me solve it. So it is giving me x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, let me factorize. So this will giving me x minus 2. Let me take plus 1 common. So this will give me x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is giving me x plus 1 into x minus 1, sorry, x minus 2, not 1, equal to 0. Okay, so from here I am getting the abscissa of point of intersection as x is equal to minus 1 and 2. Okay, as I have you told earlier, I can find by substituting here. Let me find also. Okay, see, from here I can find this y2. Okay, so the y will be what? Minus x, so it will giving me 1 comma minus 2. Okay, if I put this value of x in this y2, so this will be my point of intersection. Okay, see, this x1 y1 I have found to be what? This is my minus 1. Okay, and y we have found to be 1. Okay, and here this point of intersection I have found to be 2 comma minus 2. Okay, now we have to integrate. If we integrate this from x1 to x2, we will get this area. Okay, now for finding this area, let me use my integration. Okay, so this area will be equal to integration from x1 is minus 1 to 2 y1 my first curve minus my y2. Okay, we have to integrate this with respect to dx. Okay, see, my above curve is y1 and below curve is x2, so I am writing y1 minus y2. Okay, to get this desired bounded area. So let me calculate. So this is giving me minus 1 to 2. y1 is what? y1 is 2 minus x square minus y2. y2 is what? Minus x. Okay, and we have to integrate this with respect to dx. Okay, so let me integrate this now. So this will be equal to integrate minus 1 to 2 of 2 minus x square plus x. Okay, with respect to dx. Okay, so integration of 2 is what? 2x. Integration of minus x square will be minus x cube divided by 3, and integration of plus x will be plus x square divided by 2. And what are the limits? Limits are minus 1 to 2. Okay, now this calculate. Let me just substitute these values. Okay, first I will substitute 2 here. So this will be giving me 2 into 2, 4. Let me write complete so you don't get confused. Okay, so 2 into 2 minus 2 cube by 3 plus 2 square divided by 2. Okay, minus, now I have to substitute minus 1 here. So this is giving me 2 into minus 1 minus 1 cube divided by 3 plus minus 1 square divided by 2. Okay, student. Now let me calculate this. Okay, so this is giving me 2 into 2, 4. So 4 minus 2 cube is 8. So 8 by 3 plus 2 square is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Minus, this will give me minus 2. Minus, this is giving me minus will become plus. So this is plus 1 by 3 and this is again plus 1 by 2. Okay, student. So this will be equal to 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 minus 8 by 3. See, I have clubbed this. Okay. Minus, see, this is giving me, wait a minute, minus will become plus, so it will be giving me plus 2, minus, this is giving me minus 1 by 3 and this is giving me minus 1 by 2. Okay, student. So let me quickly calculate this. So see, again I can write this 6 plus 2, 8. This minus 8 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 will give me minus 9 by 3, which is minus 3. Okay, and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 1 by 2 is 4.5, which I can write as 9 by 2. Okay, but in the question it is given as equal to, this is given as equal to k by 2. Okay, so it implies the value of k will be equal to 9. Okay, but we have to find the value of 2k. Okay, 2k, so 2k will be equal to 2 into 9, which will be equal to 18. Okay, son, so 18 will be my answer. Let me confirm. Okay, see, we have to find the value of 2k and this area is given as k by 2. Okay, so we have found our value of 2k to be equal to 18. So 18 will be correct answer. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.